Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your gender on Bumble. Changing a gender on Bumble is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. First of all, launch the Bumble application on your device. Now, tap the profile icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, click on your profile. Now, click on Edit Profile button. Here, scroll down until you find Gender option. Click on it. Then select the gender you want to change. You can also add more about your gender by clicking on this drop-down menu. Now click on Save and Close button. After that, click on I understand all of the changes and click on Update Gender Settings button. Now, as you can see that your gender has been changed. Changing a gender may lead to your profile being re-evaluated by Bumble's algorithm, which can affect how and when you are shown to other users. Also, users are not notified when you change the gender, but it may change your visibility and matches. By following these steps, you can easily change the gender on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.